How would you like to be someone's love drug, to have them addicted to you, craving you, calling you, texting you, wanting to see you, even if they didn't want to see you before? It's in this video. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, want to remind you to be sure and subscribe. Click that bell icon because we're here all the time with new videos for you. You have no limits. You have no boundaries. Your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite. Within the infinite, within the universe, within the mind of God, all things are possible, including that specific person that you desire to draw into your life for love. Now, high flyers, I want to caution you here a little bit. I'm not just talking about getting someone to be your friend. I'm not just talking about getting someone to text you now and then. I'm talking about getting someone to love you, to crave you, to want to be with you. You're going to be like a drug to them, and you're literally going to be something that they need on a regular basis. Now, I can hear some of you out there already saying, Robert, how is that possible? That's not possible. Well, high flyers, it is possible. Remember, Neville says that everyone, the world, is you pushed out. Think about it this way. The law of attraction states that the world does not shape your reality. You, from the inside, shape the world, and that becomes your reality. As a matter of fact, some philosophers say that there is no absolute reality other than the reality that we create through our mind, through our feelings, through our neurology, through our energy field, and our connection to infinite source energy. In other words, high flyers, you create your own reality. Say that with me, own reality. So if you create your own reality, and if you've created someone that is ignoring you, ghosting you, not wanting much to do with you, you can equally create a different reality using the formula of the law of assumption and the law of attraction to manifest that specific person into your life. And they're going to crave you. They're going to want to be around you. They're going to want to call you and see you. And it's going to be nice. It really is. And you have that power. Now wait a minute. If you're saying, I don't think I do, then you don't. If you're saying, I don't think I do, then you're absolutely right. But if you believe that you do, you do. High flyers, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Simply visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. We've helped people in 60 different countries save their relationship, make more money, empower their life, and we can help you too. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. High flyers, as you change your assumption about your life, about who you are, about who you can attract into your life, as you change your assumption and you change your inner beliefs, as you change those two things, then everything else begins to shift. You literally begin to create a whole new outer world. And that means the person you desire craving you, hungering for you, wanting you, being addicted to you. And here's something I'll bet you didn't know. the hormones that we create inside our physical body by being in love, by falling in love, that feeling, that deep feeling of being in love is 1,000 times more addictive than any drug or narcotic. That's why I'm saying, why not you become their love drug? Believing fully and completely that how they think about you, how they view you, what they think about. Look at, you don't know what this person is thinking about. You don't know if you even come into their mind. So since they're a part of you, since they're a part of your reality, why not assume that they're thinking about you all the time? Why not assume that they're falling deeper and deeper in love with you? That they are craving you, that they want to be with you. What you assume, what you believe, is what you manifest and what you achieve. So high flyers, the first thing you want to do is create the inner reality that you desire. There is absolutely no room for any other thought, for any contrary thought in your reality. You are creating your own inner reality. And in that inner reality, they are thinking about you. They are wondering about you. They are missing you. They are hoping to bump into you. They are hoping to see you. They are texting you. They are calling you. That is your new inner reality. Accept it. Number 2, when you wake up in the morning, as you first open your eyes, for a moment, see them clearly texting you, calling you, wanting to be with you, hungry to hold you, wanting any morsel that you're willing to give them. See it for 17 seconds. Hold that thought for 34 seconds. Now, what you can do to help you, to remind you to do this as you wake up in the morning, is put their picture right over your bed. So when you wake up, boom, there it is. Or if that seems a little weird to you, just put a star or a symbol over your bed. So when you first wake up in the morning, you look up there, you focus all of your attention, all of your energy, and you feel so good. It's not about you wanting them. It's not about you needing them. No, that's the opposite. It's about them hungry to be with you. Now, high flyers, in the morning, before you eat anything, you're going to pour a glass of water, and you're going to sit and hold this water in your hands. It's got to be in glass. Do not put it in plastic. Do not get a bottled water. Clean water in glass. You're going to hold it. You're going to look at it. And you're going to visualize. You're going to take a sip. And you're going to visualize that you are empowering your astral pheromones. You know about real pheromones. Real human pheromones that we put out that attract the opposite sex. Females do it. Males do it. We all do it. Animals do it. They go into heat, things like that. You're creating an astral or an energy pheromone that works on a vibrational level. So as you drink this water, you are releasing. Release and increase. You are releasing and increasing your energy or astral pheromones, and you can feel it throughout your entire body. Meditate on it just for a minute. You don't have to meditate on it for any longer than that. Those energy pheromones that you are now releasing are literally reaching out and pulling that specific person into your life and closer to you. The next thing, high flyers, is to turn up the hunger. Turn up the desire by using this special incantation. My special person is hungry and addicted to me. I am their love drug. I have that special something that my special person needs. I call and command my subconscious mind to release my energy pheromones to attract this special person into my life for love. There you have it. Now, memorize that and perform that affirmation every evening as you fall asleep and every morning after you are up and after you've had your glass of water. Number 5 is the hardest part. Everything else I've given you is easy. You've turned up the energy. You've turned up the heat. You've made new assumptions. You've created new inner beliefs. Now let it go. Let it go. Detach. Remember, hot, cold. Desire, detach. Let it go. Get on with your day. Focus on you. How beautiful you are. How special you are. How dynamic you are. How happy you are. Focus on your future, on your goals, on your dreams. Let them happen and let the love come to you. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.